So, hello everyone. Welcome to Waving My Life live stream. I have started this live stream for 2 days now, and today we are going to compare the CSS frameworks. And I have kept the title a bit clickbaity, I know, but yeah, it is what it is. So, first of all, Tailwind CSS. So, let me go to their website, Tailwind CSS. It is a bit on the difficult side to install, but once you install, it is really easy to use. Let's just go to the docs using Tailwind CLI. Okay, let's just follow their instructions. We will create our index.html file and we will start with the normal document template, and let's just give it a heading like CSS playground. So let's just save, and we need to go to Tailwind CSS. They are saying npm install -d Tailwind CSS. So let's just copy the command and run it in VS Code. By the way, I am using Control plus backticks to open my terminal window. It is an easy way to open up the terminal window. And I will paste the command npm install -d Tailwind CSS. And it will, I guess, install. So yeah, that's installed. We have our package.json, node modules, everything. Okay, that's good. And let's just do npx tailwind css init. npx tailwind css init. So it will initialize our tailwind css. There is our tailwind config.js. Now we need to configure our template paths. Okay, they are saying this thing, so let's just copy and paste it here, and we will, I think I need to create a source folder for that. Source, let's just copy our index.html to there. Okay, that will be good. And we need a source input.css. okay, input.css. And now we need to copy these 3 lines: base, components, and utilities. Okay, so let's just save that. And next, start Tailwind CLI build process. Okay, and in our HTML, we need to link the output CSS file. Okay, and where will be the HTML file actually? HTML, they are saying source start.star HTML. Okay, I think that will be in the source folder. And let's just copy this command and paste it. And it will create a dist folder with our output.css. That's good. And now we need to start using Tailwind. Before that, we need to just import it like link CSS. That will be on dist/output.css. And where can we open up our server? I think command L will open my live server, and there is nothing. So let's just go and place a h1 tag and say hello. Let's just save, and there is our small hello. So despite of being h1, it is really small. Why? Because Tailwind is resetting everything. So if you want to go large, you can say class, and we can say text Excel. Okay, let's just save and see. Yeah, it is a bit larger. So let's just go something like big 5XL, and there it is, a bigger hello in the screen. That's, I guess, good. So Tailwind is this utility first CSS framework where you are using many utility classes like text 5XL, Let's just say I want to center this text in the middle of the web page. So how can we do that? We can add a class of height height of, let's say, height of view, I guess. What is that class? I am forgetting. Screen. H screen. Yes. H screen. And let's just say W screen as well. And let's just say grid and place items center. Let's just save and see our CSS playground. Reload, and wow, there is our text right in the center.